Welcome to the Gita samskritham21 Bhagavad Gita website, which is launched recently on samskritham21.com. So on the top, there is a message box. You just click on that. Once you click on that, you will get this screen, or alternatively, remember the shortcut, which is samskritham21.com/bg/index.html. So we have recently released the entire chapter 1. So as and when we go, new chapters will keep adding. Currently, we are having only chapter 1. So you click on chapter 1, you will be redirected to the 47 slokas. So we have released the complete 47 slokas here. Whenever you want to go back, you can click on this go back. It will be taking you to the main slide. If you want to go back to the Samskritam website, click on this home. So this is how the entire navigation is now controlled. So now let us go to chapter 1. Let us take the first sloka. We had some problems in the earlier version. So this has been solved now in the latest version. So as we click on this, now we will see here the sloka will come as it is. This will be followed by what is called as the padachedam. So you see the padachedam where it is Dhritarashtraha uvacha dharmakshetre kurukshetre samaveta yuyutsavaha mamaka pandavaschaiva cha eva kim akurvata sanjaya. So what is happening here is wherever there is a padachedam, it has been highlighted with the superscript as 1. That is the first padachedam. The second is here, which is samavetaha. So visarga lopam. Even in Dhritarashtraha there is a visarga lopam. Here mamakaha. So after this one, there is no change to the visarga. That is the fourth one. Third one. The fourth one is pandavaha plus cha. Pandavascha. And the fifth one is cha plus eva has become chaiva. So wherever you see the superscript, that gives you the complete padachedam. Similarly, what we have tried to attempt is that wherever you get the words in brown, it means that is the kriya padam. So this is the first step of padachedam. So once you do this padachedam, now you can go further and search on each of the 4 aspects. What are the 4 aspects which we are looking at? Is we are looking at Sa stands for Sandhi. Sa stands for Sandhi. Then you have got Kri stands for Kriya Padam. V stands for Vibhakti Pratyayam for the Shabda Rupam. And A stands for Avyayam. That is how the entire structure is done. Now let us look at this one, this structure of Sandhi. So you have to click on Sandhi. So when you click, you can again click it, it will disappear. To avoid the clutter on your screen, it is better to use this. So this is true of each of the sites. So if you click on Kri once, you will get this. If you click again, it disappears. Similarly, Vibhakti, click, disappear. And Avyayam, click and disappear. So this is very, very useful for you to split it and not to clutter your screen. So that is how the entire structure is mentioned. So now let us take it Sandhi. So here I have mapped this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with the various types of Sandhis. So 1 is equal to V01, which is Visarga Sandhi. V stands for Visarga Sandhi, A stands for Ach Sandhi, and H stands for Hal Sandhi, and O for others. So as and when you go to 1, means here you see the. So 1 is here, Dhritarashtraha uvacha. So where Visarga has become Lopam, the Sandhi is the first type of Sandhi, which is called Visarga Sandhi. And when you bring your cursor near to this V01, it also gives you the slope, the Panini's rule related to this Sandhi. So there is a rule called Rutvam. Visargas becomes Rutvam, then it becomes Yatvam, then it becomes Lopaha. So it is called Visarga Lopaha. And then what is the rule which defines that? Is the Panini Sutra, Sasujusho Ruhu, Ho Bhago Hago Apurvasya, Yo Ashi, and Lopaha Shakalyasya. So at least if you, even if you are not able to remember all the 3, remember the last one. It is Lopaha Shakalyasya. So by that Visarga Sandhi rule, We have got separate videos. We will be having separate videos coming shortly for each type of sandhi, which will explain what is V01 in detail. Then when you go to V02, again it is the same thing. Samavedaha yuyutsavaha. That is also same as V02. The second is also V02. Then we have got V03, which is Kukko Walker Poucher. This also will explain. So here is to understand this high level. And this is Visargasya Chutvam. And the fifth one is 01, that is Ach Sandhi, which is Vriddhi Sandhi. So we will explain each of them in separate videos. So that finishes Sandhi. Then we have got Kriya Padam. So here you have got Uvacha, you have got Akurvata. So what is Uvacha is coming from the Vacha Dhatu. It is Kartari lit and Akurvata. Similarly, when you come to the Shabda Rupam, you have got the Vibhakti Pratyayam. So Dradrashtraha, Mamakaha, you will also see a notation here. Wherever there is a superscript as notation, B means Bahuvachanam, D means Dvivachanam, and in other cases, wherever there is no superscript, all these cases are Ekavachanam. This is how you have to read it. Then you have got Avyayam. In this, you have got Avyayam, Cha and Eva. Then if you want to slide to the next slide, you can use this button. If you want to go back, you can straight away go back. And then if you want to come to a specific sloka, you can click on sloka 28. Go there. Again, you will get the same this one. So at any given point of time, you can go back. And also you can go to the first slide as well as the second slide. But again, if you bring everywhere you hover it, you will get this Sandhi rule. So what is the Sandhi rule? So it is better you remove it so that the screen does not look cluttered. And there is one more thing which I want to highlight when you are reading on the internet site. If you are on the desktop or the laptop, you also have a beautiful tool which is called a highlighter. You might have seen which I am using it. See, this highlighter is there. So you toggle the cursor. You can highlight when you are reading on this. If you want to remember this or something like that, you highlight it. The advantage is that once you go out and next time, if you don't clear your cookies, next time when you come to the same website, that highlight remains. Then if you want to remove the highlight, you can remove this clicking on this. Again, you can also change the color of the highlighter. So if you want to change the color, you just go on clicking on that. So you've got some 5-6 different colors. And if you want to copy the highlighter, straight away you can copy it. So this is how the entire highlighter works. So those who are interested in using that highlighter also, this is the website. Just search for extensions, home extension highlighter for Chrome. So once you put that plugin of Chrome, automatically you can also use the highlighter to the maximum so that you can also keep remembering and understanding different things. So your own marking will help you to learn further. So happy learning to all of you. You can contact us anytime at our website or on our Gmail so that we will clarify any of your doubts if you have got.